Hello, this is Jesse from Deep South Beekeeping and more. Today I'm going to show you how I lubricate the fan motor that ventilates underneath my house. It has a dirt floor and it tends to get very damp. So I run this unit on a timer. I do not run it in very cold weather, but here in the Deep South I end up running it most of the time. You can see a little indentation right here on this side of the motor. And I've already oiled it, so I won't put a whole lot in it. But that lubricates the bearing on this side of the fan motor. So all you do is, I have a little oil bottle with a long spout. Put it right there and put a little oil. And there's a piece of felt in there that will absorb the oil and keep that bearing lubricated. Now, there's another port just like this on the other side. So you have to reach over and feel it. It's either this or crawl under the house. I'd rather do it this way. Okay, I've got it in there. Put a little oil into that one also. Okay, make sure any excess is cleaned up. Clean the dust off the air intake to your fan on the other side. Okay. Right there. We're going to tighten it down. Just tighten up that little Allen screw onto the flat portion. And there we have it. Job complete. Also cleaned the fan blades while I had it off, and just cleaned up in general. And I'll do it again in a few months. This is Jesse with Deep South Beekeeping and more. I'll see you on the next video.